I feel so frustrated, and I make it so damn complicated for myself. My world seems like it's
Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, we do name brand wigs all the way to beauty supply store wigs. So if that is what you're looking for, you have found it. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have subscribed, then you are my doll baby. Hi doll baby, how are you?
How are you? How are you? How are you?
Hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here.
I'm like so happy that you are here.
Okay, so today we are doing another wig review. This here is part of the Zodiac makeup and wigs, so look for that. This would be for Aquarius. The makeup look, I did do a tutorial that is a member only exclusive tutorial, so if you're a member you will have access to that, and if you're not a member, when you do become a member you'll have access to that then. Some housekeeping. I have a new setup, doing a new camera, I'm waiting for my new microphone, so you are going to see some changes and upgrades, but I am playing with the settings and things like that, so I'm working, but just so you know, if there is some weird lighting things, or I don't think there will be, but if you notice if you notice something different in terms of how it looks, angles, things like that, that's because I am changing it to try to make it better, okay, and that's what we have to do here.
To step it up, okay?
This girl here is Jon Renau ZARA. It is a discontinued wig, but you can find it. This is in the color Ice Blonde, okay? I do not have a standalone review for this particular wig. I am doing a comparison between this one and Cheyenne that are in the same color because they're different textures. So you could see it in that, but it doesn't have like a standalone review. It is lace front and a monofilament parting. This girl that I am highlighting is Margu's Willow, and she's in the color 10613 GR, so you can see her coming up soon. Let's talk about Zara, okay? I have Miss Zara in the color Shaded Mocha. She reminds me a lot of Angelica, actually. So this is Miss Zara here. Okay, this is the color Shaded Mocha. This is a lace front wig, and it does have monofilament all in here, all in this area, and then you see the lace front. The rest of the cap is mesh. There's no combs in the front. There are adjustable straps in the back that are Velcro. Okay. Zara is going to run you depending between sort of $250 to $350 in that range depending. There is a Zara Light which is more expensive, so just know that. It comes in a bunch of different colors. There is a Zara Petite, there's a Zara Large, so they come, this is an average cap, but it comes in a Petite specifically, a Large specifically, and then also in the Zara Light. She is not heat safe, so just so you know. Alright, so let's get her on. I actually already filmed this video, and because I'm using a new setup, I wasn't recording. So I've already had her on, so let's go ahead and put her on. Now that I said that she reminds me of bendable ear tabs, now that I said that she reminds me of Angelica, like I'm really seeing it. So this color is just like stunning in general. I have to say, part this in any way, this is just how I chose to part it. I am going to put a little bit of powder in the part. I'm trying to speak up because I'm just using my regular iPhone mic instead of an external mic like I normally do. So this is my Bare Minerals Bare Pro in Cool Beige 10. It's like my favorite, as you can see. So I'm going to use this toothbrushy brush from Real Techniques to sort of stamp in, because it's not like a crisp part, make sure it's stamping in to where the scalp or part would show, and then just along this hairline in the front. Yeah, she really does. Even this color reminds me a lot of the Angelica that I have in Mocha Chino. So I'll probably do a color comparison and maybe just a style comparison in general. One thing that I want to mention that could also be a potential con is this lace is very scratchy. I don't usually cut the lace back on a name brand wig because it's made to not necessarily do that. That's kind of why we're paying a higher price tag. But this reminds me of sort of what was called French lace in the affordable beauty supply store type wigs. And it's quite hard. Some people prefer it, and I'm not even overly sensitive in terms of my skin, so it's already bothering me. So it's something that I want you to keep in mind, whether you put something there or just know that that's a possibility. So I just wanted to mention that as well. So this is what Zara looks like where I have her parted for me. This is all the hair to the front. So I'm curious what light would be like, because I don't find this to be a lot, like a huge density, really. Let's look at her from the back before I tell you what my thoughts are, because now I've worn her more than once and I do definitely have thoughts. The movement is nice. So here's what. I really love this wig. I do. But she is a tangler, and I'm just going to be real honest. So that's something that if you want this wig, you're going to really need to keep that in mind, that she is a tangler. You could really use this, like I have this Tressolor wig wax spray. I have a full review up on that. And you could use that to sort of tame some of these flyaways, because she does also have some flyaways, but this wig wax is like so nice for that. But I do find her to tangle, to be honest. So that to me is an issue for a wig this expensive. Now I usually wear my wigs to the front anyway, and for me, like, tangling isn't a huge issue necessarily, because I don't mind carrying my brush around and doing all that. But this is something, if you don't want to stay on her for the tangles, then it's really, really important that you know that before you purchase her. Color is gorgeous, style is gorgeous, but she is one that's going to want to tangle. So that is what I have for you for Miss Zara. If you have Zara and you have her in another color, or if you have the light version, let me know. I will put my Jon Renau playlist down below. You can check out all the Jon Renau wigs I have reviewed. I'll also put my name brand wig playlist down below, and you can check those out as well. And if there's something that you want to see that's not in there, go ahead and let me know down below. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you have, thanks so much. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.